In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, staying ahead means evolving with the market. As we step into 2024, let's explore some strategic approaches for navigating the crypto landscape. Diversification remains a cornerstone strategy. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to manage risk and capture potential opportunities. Research is your compass. Understand the technology, team, and community behind each project. In this ever-changing space, knowledge is power. The art of hodling stands strong. Consider a long-term approach, holding on to assets through market fluctuations, driven by belief in their underlying potential. Unlock the power of passive income through staking and yield farming. Contribute to network operations and earn rewards in the process. Manage risk wisely. Set clear strategies, including stop-loss orders and profit-taking targets. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Keep a vigilant eye on regulatory changes. In a space known for its rapid evolution, understanding the impact of regulations is crucial. Subscribe to our channel for more strategic guides and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of crypto. Tap that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to join our community. Until next time, happy investing.